am Helene from White Tiger Qigong. This is a very special practice to release anxiety and worry. Anxiety and worry are due to a lack of grounding, a lack of earth energy. It is linked to an imbalance of the spleen. And this leads to too much energy into the head, the mind, and overthinking. During this practice, you are going to restore a deep connection to the earth and to your body. You will have a clear and balanced mind and feel nurtured and supported by the earth energy. Let's start. Feet shoulder-width apart. Grab the earth with 10% tension. Knees and feet facing forward, hands over the lower dantian, below your navel, knees and shoulders relaxed, tailbone dropping towards the earth. Bring your attention inwards. Feel your feet on the ground. Feel your body weight. Visualize, feel your roots deep into the earth, like a tree. Feel your ankles over your heels, your knees over your ankles, your hips over your knees. Next inhale, elongate the spine, crown point to the sky, feel the connection to the sky. Exhale, feel your whole body relax on the earth. Keep the spine elongated. Feel like you are breathing with the earth. With each inhale, feel the energy of the earth coming up into your body and nourishing your body. With each exhale, release the old energy to the earth. Continue to breathe deeply, and now breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth, through a little hole, as if you were blowing out of a straw. Breathe out any thinking, stress, tension. Now we'll start body shake. Release all the tension. Release the knees, the shoulders, your upper back. Feel the movement into your whole body and release your wrists. Palms facing the earth and then palms facing the sky. And now smaller vibrations with your whole body and stop. Palms facing each other. Feel the chi between your palms. As you inhale, feel your chi ball expand. And as you exhale, feel the chi ball contract and compress. And then step out with one foot. Make the diamond shape. Inhale, arch the spine with the knees bent, open the chest. Exhale to one side, straighten the knees. Continue the circle, straightening the spine and the back of the leg. Inhale, come up, bending the knees, opening the front of the body. Open the front of your body as you exhale. Feel the stretch into your spine and into the back of your legs. At your next exhale, turn to the other side. And then come back with your knees shoulder width apart, Inhale, bring the chi together over your head. Exhale, bring the chi down through your center line to your lower dantian. Inhale, the arms parallel to the floor. Exhale, cross one foot behind and extend the whole side of your body. Inhale to the center. Exhale to the other side. And continue. Look at your upper hand if you can and continue to stretch. Then come back to center. Inhale, bring the chi together. Exhale, bring the chi down to your lower dantian and release your hands. We are going to compress a little bit more the spleen and liver. Cross your fingers. Inhale, palms up, raise up on the toes, stretch the spine. Exhale on one side, compressing the organ on that side and twist. Then inhale up. Exhale, release the arms and cross fingers the other way. And one more time on each side. Keep your attention on what you feel into your body. Inhale, come up, and exhale, release the chi to your lower dantian and relax the arms and the hands on the side of your body. Inhale into your lower dantian. Exhale into the center of your palms. Continue to inhale into your lower dantian, then exhale into your palms. Feel the sensations into your palms. Now inhale into your lower dantian. Exhale into your feet. Continue 2 more breaths, feeling the sensations into the feet as you exhale. And open your eyes. We are going to practice Snake from 5 Element Qigong. With this form, we are going to transform anxiety and worry into feeling nurtured and supported. So we are going to compress and extend the spleen. Keep your attention into your spleen during the whole movement. Inhale, raise the arms up at shoulder level. Exhale, press down slowly. Shift your weight to your left foot and turn to the right, knees bent. Palms up, right hand by the side of your belly. Step out in the front with your right foot. Your feet are open at 45 degrees. Bend your right knee. Keep the left leg straight. Left hand slides down the right arm and then from the right shoulder to the left hip. Left hand slides down the right arm and then from the right shoulder to the left hip. Both palms are facing the floor. Choose if you go to a high or low stance according to what's right for your body today. Don't hurt your knees or back or force too much by going too low. Compress your left side and feel the compression into your spleen. Forearms parallel to the floor, then extend the arms. Look at your left hand and shift your weight. Turn your left foot forward and right foot at 90 degrees. Palms up. Bring your right hand to your ear and extend the arm. Palms are facing each other. Come up, slide the hand down, and then compress the right side and feel the stretch into your spleen. Feeling your connection to the earth and the compression and extension into your spleen. Continue to feel that you are breathing with the earth during this movement. With each inhale, breathe in the energy of the earth into your body. And with each exhale, let your body release on the earth and let the old energy go back to the earth. And then come back, feet shoulder width apart. Inhale, gather the chi over your head. Exhale, release all the anxiety to the earth. Inhale, gather the chi over your head. Exhale, bring into your body the feeling of being nurtured and supported. Inhale. Exhale, filling your body with a beautiful soil color. Now put your hands over your dantian, your lower dantian, and breathe into your spleen. With each inhale, filling your spleen with this beautiful soil color. Keep all your attention into your spleen. Now smile into your spleen. Feel or visualize this inner smile. Feel your whole body grounded, nurtured. Now bring your attention into your lower dantian and visualize a beautiful soil color pearl into your lower dantian, your energy center. As you inhale, the pearl expands. As you exhale, it contracts and stores the chi. Continue at your own pace with this visualization. As you inhale, the pearl expands. As you exhale, the pearl contracts. Last breath here. And then release the hands, the arms. Open your eyes. And thank you for your practice. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Let me know in the comments how was your experience and if you have any question. If you liked it, don't forget to click the like button and to subscribe our channel so you don't miss our weekly videos. See you soon on White Tiger Qigong channel.